If you've been waiting for it, it is here. What's going on, guys? My name's Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. Today's video is going to be for the much anticipated Lawnmower 4.0, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the 3.0 and here is the 4.0. Make sure you watch the whole video through because we are going to be taking it through the test runs and trying all the features. And also, if you want to get 20% off your new Lawnmower 4.0, which literally just dropped in the US, today is the day. If you want 20% off and free shipping, use my code BINSBERG20 at checkout for anything in your order. Again, 20% off not only this, but any products that you do purchase from Manscaped. 20% off, free shipping. BINSBERG20 is the code at checkout. Use it. Links are going to be below. The Lawnmower 4.0, it has a skin-safe, replaceable blade. It's hygienic. It prevents nicks, snags, and tugs. Just swap it out and replace it, and you're good to go. And in all honesty, if you guys are worried about that, I've had my 3.0 in my bathroom since production launch, which I think has been like a year now. I've never replaced the blade. It has been nice and sharp. It has a Li-ion rechargeable battery, which delivers up to 90 minutes of cordless trimming per full charge. It is bringing back the LED spotlight, which is awesome, and it has a power status light indicator. It once again is waterproof, IP67 rated, where you can trim in the shower, and it has a new feature which is the travel lock, which I have actually set off the 3.0 in my travel bag before. And that feature is absolutely awesome because if you are throwing it in your ditty bag, overnight bag, and putting it in your suitcase, pressure by it could cause it to go off. So the 4.0 has a travel safety feature. I'm super pumped on the 4.0. Let's get it out of the box. And that code works for all their shirts, boxers. I absolutely love their boxers. Wearing a pair right now. Let's get that out of the way there. But they do offer shirts. So here is the 3.0, and we'll reference back to that here in a little bit, but this video is for the new Big Dog 4.0. Let's slip it on out and see what we got. Live right here with you. Let's go ahead and open that thing up like a bookshelf. Check that bad boy out. It's a whole new balls game. Very cool. Wowzers. Wowzers. Right off the bat, this thing looks like Dark Knight, Batman's grooming tool. That is so cool. When I first saw the picture of it on the box, I was like, this looks like a Alienware gaming PC. Look at how it's gloss black, matte black there. Nice new logo on the back. Manscaped logo on the front. Our push button, our battery indicator light here. Our LED light here. And check this out, just like the 3.0, this flips up. You can wash this right here. This pops back on, latches back into place there. We do need to fully charge it before we do turn it on. Let's look at the bottom here. This is what's gonna fit into your charging holster. That's a cool groomer. Let's go ahead and put this aside for now and let's go ahead and check out the box. All right, what do we got underneath here? We got the quick start guide, the user guide. And yes, it does say to charge it fully before you do use it. That is a wireless charger and your indicator light, 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights, it's fully charged. In the little pouch right here, we're coming up to, let's go ahead and open this on up here. We have our brush tool to clean it. We have our wall plug, which is really awesome. I'm glad they still provide these because a lot of companies assume you already have a ton of these lying around, but majority of the time they're used by your cell phone. And we have a braided charging cable. That's pretty cool. And I'm gonna go with a Type-C. Very nice, Manscaped. Type-C is the new cable. And let's get you a cord length, which is about 3 feet. And that is, again, braided USB to USB Type-C. Here is our wireless charging dock here. So the Type-C goes in the back here. We do have soft pads on the bottom. Put that up on your countertop. So it slides in just like this. Wireless charging, and then when you're ready to go, pick it up, start grooming, pop it back in to charge again. And lastly, let's go ahead and bring out the attachments here. And our attachments, we are gonna have 2 different attachments. The first one is 3 or 6 millimeter, and the second one is 10 or 13 millimeter. And how that works is you just slip it right over the top. 1 click in is gonna be 6. 1 more click down is gonna be 3. Same thing goes for the second one. First click in is gonna be 13. Second click in is gonna be 10 on that one. Simply just slide it up, to remove that, and you're ready to go with short trimming there. And you're wondering why I might need attachments if you're just grooming really short. Well, some people, they want to groom their leg hair. I actually use that for that purpose, and so this gives you a little bit better of an option. You don't really want just nasty arm hair. This is actually getting too long. I've grown it out for this specific video, but in all honesty, this is way too long, and I'm looking forward to trimming that up. And just briefly, let's look at the 3.0. I've taken it out of the box, and we do have a trim guard there as well with the same flip up top to it here. So with the 4.0, you get 2 blade guards, and of course they have updated the design there as well, coming around to the back, top, and bottom there. So it's completely wireless charging, where this one has the charging port on the bottom as well. And the battery is a 600 milliamp Li-ion. Let's charge it up, put it through the run. Well, we are fully charged and we're ready to go. All right, hopefully my audio is going to be picked up here. I saw a fitness guy doing this with his microphone, so I thought it was kind of a cool idea. All right, we are at it again. We've grown this out. It's not as bad as it can get, obviously. I like to keep it pretty trim. I also cannot stand the curly cues that come up right here or flock over there as well. Not to mention any upper neck patch hair that tends to grow right up in this area. Not to mention any lower back hair here as well. So we want to trim it all up. Again, completely waterproof if you want to use it in the shower. I'm just going to be trimming my leg hair as well. Rather not have all that hair go into the shower, but if you're just doing a quick job like your chest, this would probably just be fine. You could have a shower drain catcher to help prevent that. And what a lot of people, so check that out. Number one, the light there. So a lot of people, they don't do this, and mine grow pretty long. Just my hair, see that right there? My hair on my knuckles, and I just like to go ahead and trim that. Not to mention your hand hair sometimes can get out of the way as well. Now I have grown this way too long, and I know you guys are thinking like that's not very long, but this is what I saved that for. So number one, this in the shower, this on dry land, it's just a lot quicker than jumping in the shower, using a razor blade. And as you can see here, I'll cut this down in post, but this literally is gonna take me probably 60 seconds total to do my entire arm, as it's getting it way down. And also right through here, when I use the razor, I get all these bumps, and I'm just super lean. That's why you're seeing veins pop up everywhere. So I'm like probably 1 minute and 15 seconds into it and stopping talking, and look at how fast this is going. So your back of your arms here, I love to get those as well. And this is what I'm talking about right there. Not to mention right here, look at that light. I'm using my phone as a mirror, if you are wondering. Up here, coming down, look at all that hair. I know it's blonde. I know you guys with darker hair, definitely a little different. Not to mention, get your little mamilo, you know what I'm saying? In Portuguese, that is exactly what you think it's meaning. And then of course, let's go ahead and get the chest. Look at that, boom. So obviously, we are not gonna be going down south with you guys on camera, but the light is definitely gonna help you get in the crevices, and nobody likes dingleberries. Nobody likes tissue paper contracting to their... I don't wanna get this video flagged, so I won't use real terms, but you guys know what I'm talking about. You gotta be a little careful with the Grand Canyon down south, you know what I'm saying? So we're just cleaning this up here, looking really good. Obviously I won't do the whole entire thing on camera, but the light, it's quiet. Battery indicator here, one touch off. It does have travel proof as well. It took me a few seconds to realize how to turn that off. It's in the directions. After you're done, you clock that back there, you have all your hair. You go ahead and dump whatever hair's in there in the trash can, put it back into place, clip it back down, you're ready to go. You can rinse that. Obviously for down here as well, right through here, that sprouts up and gets all nasty. Right through here for me. I'm not a super hairy dude, but I like to keep it nice and trim. I do need to get a tan, I know that, but I try to stay out of the sun. Did too much sunbathing, and us white boys, it's called basal cell carcinoma. There's some scars to prove it. Right there, here, and here. Be careful with that. So again, a fast way to trim up, keeping it nice and crispy. Now let's show you 6mm on the legs here. And we're not gonna show you too much of this, but does a great job getting that hair off. And I don't know about you guys, but I do not like my leg hair very long. It just looks nasty. It's very hot in the summertime. So that does a great job just using it for a few seconds there, cleaning it up. Really nice. We'll finish that job off camera. And this next part, and obviously with the blade guard as well, I know you probably want to maybe clean it before you do it. We didn't go down south. We only did the chest hair, so I'm okay with it, but I'll leave that up to you. But what's nice is, again, using it just like this, using my cell phone as the mirror, getting a quick job like this on your beard line all the way around right here, especially, man, back here, that neck hair, ooh, I can't stand that. Even being able to clean up right there as well. Just again, if you're gonna go south to north, I would go north to south. Save yourself a little bit of cleaning and cross-contamination with the different hairs. Well guys, the new lawnmower Manscaped 4.0 passes my test. A sweet charging holder as well. This thing seriously looks like Batman's body groomer. I love it. Once again, use my code BINSBERG20. It's right here on Manscaped's website. It's all linked in the description box below. You won't have to remember a thing. Click show more right below the video. You're gonna see the links. Use my code BINSBERG20 for 20% off your brand new Lawnmower 4.0, not to mention any other products they offer. 20% off, free shipping with my code. You guys enjoy, just like all my videos, guys. Don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about, but if you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. It works great. So guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button. It helps promote the channel. I appreciate you guys. Tap that little subscribe button on the way out. We'll see you on the next one. Look below. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.